Getting a new car delivered from stable vehicle contracts is an undeniably exciting experience. You may be tempted to sign the paperwork quickly and get out on the road, but before your delivery driver leaves, there are some important things that need to be seen to. In this video, we're going to discuss what you should do. In the unlikely event there are any issues with your delivery, this is what you need to do to ensure that they can be quickly and easily rectified. First things first, is the car the correct colour? Is it the correct model and trim specification you ordered? It can be easy to forget this, especially after waiting a few months for your vehicle. If you've ordered extras, does it have them? The metallic paint, leather interior or sat-nav system? Make sure this is the exact vehicle you ordered, down to every little detail. One of the most important checks is to see if the vehicle has been damaged in any way, both inside and out. Check the front and rear bumper. Take a look at the bodywork and make your way along the car. Feel the body with your fingertips. Does it feel smooth? No dents or scratches? Take a look inside. Is it clean? Are there any obvious marks or noticeable damage? Take your time when checking the vehicle. There's no rush, and the delivery driver will be expecting you to take as long as you need to inspect it. Open the boot and look around. Is it clean and empty? Pull up the bottom of the boot partition to see if you have either a spare tyre or tyre repair kit. You'll need at least one of these, and you need to report to the delivery driver if you have neither. In the same area, you should find the standard supplied toolkit. This is extremely important. At the end of the lease, you will need to account for these. If you can't find them, again, make sure to ask the delivery driver to help you find them. Part of the delivery driver's job is to help you understand the vehicle's controls, so they'll take you through them. Make sure to ask questions on anything you don't understand, as once the driver's gone, they're gone for good. Double check the vehicle manual if needed. Make sure you've allotted yourself at least 30 minutes to learn the controls before you drive the vehicle off. Your vehicle will always come with 2 keys, so make sure it has. Here are some other things to remember. Make sure you note the mileage on the day of delivery before you drive the vehicle. Also, the time of delivery and the conditions of the weather at that time. These too will need to be noted on the delivery form. The delivery driver will have the form that you can note everything down on. They won't leave without you filling it in, so don't worry. It's a straightforward process, and if you need help, the delivery driver will be there. You will also receive your own copy of the form, so make sure you note down any issues with the vehicle. On the off chance you do find issues with the vehicle you're not happy with, it must be recorded on the inspection report your delivery driver will have. If they leave without you filling it in, you won't have another chance. Make sure you take pictures of the issues you're unhappy with, as they can be used as evidence in the future. Note the time and date if you do take pictures. Overall, the vehicle delivery and handover should last around 30 to 50 minutes maximum. Once the delivery driver has left, take another look at the owner's manual and go over the controls again to ensure you're safe when driving on the road. Now we're all done and you're ready to get out on the road. Happy driving!